our shit together. People are like, wow, your items on your shop are so expensive. Your prices are ridiculous. I need to pay my bill. This isn't just a side hobby. This is my job. Okay, I had a good crying session. I feel like I released what I had to release. I need to get my life together. It's pretty obvious. I have been slacking in all aspects of my life. It's time for change. I literally have no other option. I need to pay my bills and I feel like I'm already falling behind. That can't happen, so let's just do it. But my desk is just not giving. These were from Christmas. I'm normally not like this. Like when I feel that I'm falling apart, I always have this tendency of like wanting to clean. If something's going on in my life, I just need to clean. I don't know what's been going on. I don't know, I just feel like in some aspects of my life, I've hit rock bottom. I'm not gonna cry about it anymore. It's just, we just have to fix this. Let's be honest here, Depop for some reason during the holiday season, I don't know if it's the holiday season, I hope it is. Sales are so low right now. I will go like a day without a sale, which is not good. We forgot who we were. First thing is like fix our environment, and then next is gonna be like this, cause like, yeah, my clothes. Yes, so the reason it's like this is because whenever I'm trying to ship things and I'm looking for something and I can't find it, I end up just throwing everything, trying to find it. It's just like the worst. I just need to keep everything nicely folded. It's a bad habit of mine is that they just end up like this. 2023, that's not happening anymore. This zebra chair is actually really comfortable, but it's just not my aesthetic anymore. I know that sounds so cringe, but I feel like I'm getting out of like the Y2K. Like I feel like in 2023, Y2K is dead. You need to put stuff on your Depop shop that's gonna sell, obviously, because if not, I would be on the streets. Like, it's serious. Like, this is serious. And honestly, some of this stuff is not even on my shop anymore because I have this bad habit of removing items on my shop. Tip for you guys, don't do that because even if it's really old, they do still sell. It will sell eventually, and having more items on your shop equals more sales. The problem with me is I can never, it's so hard for me to get to 150 items on my shop. And seeing all these other top Depop sellers, they have like over 1,000. And I'm not even kidding you when I say this, over like, some are even over like 10,000. Like something great. Like, how do you have that many items? I don't understand. I'm gonna do one shelf at a time. You obviously, first of all, you need a lot of money. You need thousands of dollars to just put into thrifting if you want that many items. Another thing that I'm bad at is I'm horrible and I sometimes won't put the money that I make off Depop, I won't put it back into my Depop shop, if that makes sense. Wait, I don't have money to go thrift more, so I'm stuck with no money. All your money that you make off Depop isn't profit. It needs to go back into the shop. Like, why is that so hard for me? I don't know. Oh, if you came to my channel thinking that this was like a person that had their Depop shop all together, no, we are the Depop shop that's trying to get our shit together. You know what I mean? We're trying to be her, but we're not her yet, but we are becoming her. This top is actually cute. Why haven't you bought it yet? Ribbed top, but then it has like a bow tie in the back. And you look snatched in it. Like, why haven't you bought this yet? I don't know. Why has no one bought this yet? Why? Let's talk about how also Depop is gonna raise their fees on us. What does that mean? People are like, wow, your items on your shop are so expensive. Like, your prices are ridiculous. I need to pay my bills. Like, this isn't just a side hobby. This is my job. This is literally my job. I'm sorry to say, but people do buy. It's not something like ridiculous. I know some shops that I look at and like, that's a little much. But even then, people still buy it. So why are you gonna hate? Like, you're the ones buying it. So why would they stop? If you can make that money, then make that money. Like, why would they lower the price? Sorry, that's my little rant on Depop. I'm just gonna shut up and I'm gonna play some music while we do this like fast montage. Ooh. She's already going into the USPS box. Found my iconic pink Coach bag that I always had with me at all times. I found my claw clip. I had broken all of the claw clips that I have. I found all my lip glosses. Fruit Fetish Strawberry Melon Lip Oil by Milani. Highly recommend. And my Fenty lip gloss that is literally already empty. I should just throw this out. Smells good. Look how nasty and chipped it is. I've had these purses forever, but I just haven't put them on Depop. And then I also have these beanies that I never put up. Isn't this 2D one cute? It's cute. And then this like fuzzy one that I actually used for a while, the Dooney. This one is super cute. I love the heart chain on it. And then this red Coach purse that I had put up and then I put it down because I wasn't sure if it was 100% real because it's a little like different than other Coach purses. But then I see how everyone else on Depop are selling this same exact one and they're saying it's real, so I'm guessing it's real. I don't know why I'm just like if about it. I had actually got this off ThreadUp. It's just like the quality isn't that great. That's why I was like sketch about it. This Guess one that is cute. This one's cute. And then this one is alright. You know, I think it's ugly. Like, why did I even buy that? I don't know. This is actually a vintage 90s Coach leather bag. I had been on the hunt for this bag for so long and I found it on ThreadUp. I remember I was on, was it eBay? I was like fighting some girls to try and get this bag and I ended up losing because the bid went so high. So I ended up not getting it. But then I found it on ThreadUp and I was like, hallelujah. And then I didn't even use it for that long. I just loved the gold detail on it because I am a gold lover. Also have this Ralph Lauren one, which is cute. It's very fall, which fall's already gone. You know, you need to be smart. In the beginning, I would just buy things that were like cute, like, oh yeah, this is cute, but like, do I really love it? Because then you end up with clothes that you're just like about. Then it ends up being completely ugly after a while and you're like, why did I even buy that? Lately, I only buy things that from the thrift store that I love. Like, would I wear it? That's the thing you need to put in your head. Would you wear it? And if not, then why are you putting it on your shop? Like, it's not you. And if you're not loving it, then you're gonna eventually think it's ugly. So, another tip for you. It's very easy to overconsume in a thrift store. I'm like, I don't even know what's in this. Oh my god. I have more purses. Forgot about this one. This one's actually really cute. It's a Coach bag, but it's like nylon. This one I actually used for a while. Need more lip glosses in here? But we do have a receipt. Let's see what it is. It's from Goodwill. $37. April the 5th, 2022. Look at this cool braiding on it. Then this one actually was gifted to me. This one obviously I can't sell because it has emotional value. Oh! There are baby pictures in here of me. That is adorable. With Woody and Buzz, my first and only friends. I didn't even know I had this. I have been loving skinny scarves lately with two tops. Are you kidding me? I didn't even know I had this. I'm gonna keep this on. I don't know why I found this so cute. I had thrifted this pillowcase. Like the paisley print, the roses. It is so cute. And in the back, are you kidding me? It wasn't like a pair of two or anything, it was just one. Like what was I thinking? It reminds me of strawberry shortcake. I loved strawberry shortcake when I was little. What else is up here? Like literally we have a trash can up here. Like what is this? What's in this one? Packaging supplies. We have this thing that my boyfriend bought at a thrift store because he thought I would need it, but like this is too much. Always need tape here. This is the next section that we're gonna do. I got this Polo Ralph Lauren cap, but it's just like weird. I didn't obviously try it on in the thrift store, but like, what is that? That shape is not right. Now, moving on to this section. Here I just have like my poly bag, scissors, my measuring tape. I like to tie up packages with this, so I just buy that off Amazon. This is the label printer that I use and I recommend it. Of course, my scale to weigh my Depop items. Printer just in case, like if something's going on with that. I'll use my printer, so I just have that there. I get these USPS boxes. You can get them for free if you just go on the USPS website and just order whichever ones you want, and they'll get shipped to your house for free. I highly recommend getting them sent to your house. It is so convenient. I get the medium flat rate box. This is my desk right now. Now let's just get rid of like trash that we don't need. I'm like so out of it that like I have a planner that I don't even use. Who else? Highest self. Oh my god, look, I just found a note that I made to myself. Okay, the first one's already like, no TikTok. I have been over consuming TikTok. And then it says you need to have a skin hair routine. Because at the time I really wanted to get like a hair routine because I felt like I was losing myself. Like, look at me right now. Attract Manifest, that has been something I've been doing more of. I highly recommend this app. First, it asks like, what do you want to do? What do you want to accomplish for the day? You write daily affirmations, and then what are you grateful for? It's actually really good to, you know, bring gratitude into your day. Trust yourself. Okay, okay. Everything happens for a reason. I think that was for me right now in this moment. How about we write our name on it? Like, that's the first step. But I feel like if I write on it, I'm gonna screw it up. Belongs to Brittany, bitch, JK. Oh, I just did cursive. I don't know why. I don't even know how to write cursive. Okay, I guess. If you are self-employed, I highly recommend this journal. First of all, it's like super colorful. Like, we hate boring planners. This is the simplified planner. Highly recommend this planner. I just love the way it is because you can write what you want to do for the day, like bullets. I don't know, I just like the way it's set up. Recommend this journal. Even though I don't use it, I still recommend it. This journal was like my journal that I would go to when I was getting ideas for sponsorships that I would get on TikTok. I would get, okay, I need to change that word. I attract sponsorships. More receipts. Like, why do I do this to myself? I just ran into some Polaroids. This is not even like a year ago. I was living with my aunt. That's like when I took Depop seriously. Everything was booming here. I remember my Instagram was popping off, aka before I got hacked. I remember I basically like hired my mom to help me do packages. I remember when I was living with my aunt, I got my first sponsorship, and that was exciting. That's when I realized like, wow, it is so easy to make a lot of money. I think it was more of like that I was making my own money. We don't realize like how far we've come. Like, I haven't like done much, but like now that I live basically like on my own, I feel like I've just fallen out. Like, you may not feel like you're improving in your life. We can do it. I'm gonna put it in the front. I'm gonna put it here to remind me. I keep a picture of my younger self here because it's good to look at. You wouldn't want to be mean to her or let down. So it's just cute little thing to have. This is gonna be for tomorrow's Depop pics, so I'm just gonna have them out. I didn't really show the finished product here, but everything just looks so much nicer. No mess. Everything's folded. Slay and slay. Isn't this crochet scarf so cute? But everything's clean, organized. I'm gonna have to do packages tomorrow. Here I'm already editing this video. That's probably better. Cherry pillows that are already squashed because I sit on them. Cleaning your space and your energy and your environment really makes a difference. Today I've already made $100. So go clean and organize your space. I know I probably should have filmed this video during the day, but it was just one of those late night feelings. This was like a really random video, but I hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next one.